Today I want to talk to you about our green water softener. Who is this water softener or what is it for? So it's for somebody who has hard water coming into the home, which is destroying all your appliances and your experience with having a shower, etc. You would have problems in your shower, so your shower door would be all destroyed with a concrete-like white chalky substance. Your shower head would have an issue where it's clogging up with the same chalky white substance. You'd see problems with your dishwasher blocking up. You may also experience problems when you're washing your clothes. When you're showering, your hair may feel like straw. Your skin will also be dry because of the hardness in the water. So there's many different areas you will have problems with hard water. So the green water softener is an ultra compact water softener that goes in neatly underneath your sink in your kitchen. It has a fine mesh resin. There's a tank in here, and this tank holds a resin, and that resin is what changes the hard water into soft water. It's an extremely powerful resin, and it has a huge surface area. Even though it's a small system, it's still extremely powerful for the size of the system. The green water softener is tested and certified. It's an extremely efficient and very powerful water softener. The benefits of having the green water softener installed in your home is huge. The biggest place where you're going to notice it is in your shower. You no longer will have any hard water experiences, so your skin will be nice and soft, your hair will be nice and soft, and you no longer will have any lime scale stuck to the doors of your shower or impacting your shower head. Where else will you see it? You're going to see it everywhere in your home that has hot water running through it. So that's your dishwasher, your washing machine, the taps in your house, the worktop in your kitchen. What about servicing and how to maintain the softener? The most important thing for this softener is that you add salt into it. So you must keep salt in the bin. So you'll have a bin here. You need to keep salt in that in order to keep the system working properly. The salt doesn't soften the water. What the salt does is the salt actually cleans out the resin to make sure that the resin is performing at its best at all times. So once you keep the salt in the softener, this is going to maintain the softener and make sure that the softener is working at full capacity at all times. You can service the system every year to make sure that it's running and performing optimally. We will always be in touch with you every year to remind you that the system is due a service, and you can then book a service with us at a time that may suit you. So if you are somebody who has hard water and you like the look of the green water softener, reach out to us on our website or call into us, and we'd be happy to tell you more and to tell you how this system can benefit you and your family.